Hello friends, today I am going to discuss with you about the tireless Indian women. தற்காத்து தற்கொண்டார் பேணி தகை சான்ற சொற்காத்து சோர்விலால் பெண் who guards herself for husband's comfort cares her household's fame in perfect wise with sleepless soul preserves. This is the couplet of that Tirukkural. The meaning of this Tirukkural is she is a wife who unveils guards herself, takes care of her husband, and preserves an unsullied fame. Unsullied fame. What is the current scenario of Indian women? Yes, still Indian women are active compared to Indian men. Elderly people in India know that their daily physical activities protects themselves from disease and keeps them healthy. But a longitudinal aging study in India, that is LASI, says that these physical activities are not a regular habit among them. Women were found to be more physical active compared to men over the age of 45 in India. The women over the age of 45 years, 69% are active, and the men over the age of 45 years, 60% of them are active. The agility of the elderly is determined by where they live, where they are residing. Older people living in the rural areas are more physically active than those living in the urban area. The people who are living in rural area, there are 62% of them are active, and in urban area 55% of the people are active. The study found that 71% of older women in urban area were active, and 68% of older women in rural area is active. That is, in urban area 71% older women are active, in rural area 68% older women are active. What does it mean? This is urban older women are more active than rural older women. Three quarters of people over the age of 45 living in Himachal Pradesh, Assam, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Pondicherry, and Nagaland are physically active. Women are more active than men in elderly in all states except Assam and Uttar Pradesh. In Assam, 79.1% of men are active, and 78.9% of women are active. And Uttar Pradesh, 56.9% of men are active, and 53.2% of women are active. So, other than these two states, uh, the whole India, women are active than men. This gender gap in physical activity varies from state to state. In most states, laziness is less common among older women. Among the elderly, Tamil Nadu has 53.5% of active males and 68.4% of active females. And Kerala has 42% of active males and 58.2% of active females. This is the age over 45. The study found that laziness was higher in older men in Mizoram, Delhi, Telangana, and Haryana. In Mizoram, that is 80% lazy people are there, lazy men are there. 63% lazy men are there in Delhi. 62% lazy men are there in Telangana, and 60% lazy men are there in Haryana. In Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Delhi, and Haryana, laziness is higher among older women. 75% lazy women in Mizoram, 56% lazy women in Arunachal Pradesh, 55% lazy women in Delhi, 50% lazy women in Haryana. Yes, study which was on 2016 found that physical exercise, leads to the avoidance of cardiovascular and metabolic infections. In contrast, laziness determining poor physical fitness and disease in old age. The study suggests that the laziness is equivalent to the effects of smoking, alcohol consumption, and obesity. The World Health Organization recommends that Elders spend about 150 minutes a week on moderate exercise and physical activity. They may be inspired to improve their exercises through ground based training if motivated by clinicians, family, or friends. So, motivate the older people in your home and motivate them to do some physical exercise and encourage them to do some physical activity so that we can save our older people and we can save our home. Thank you very much.